Well, we have seen this back before. This is the one I like to call one of the U-turn backs. Not always recommended, but still handy, a handy back to know. And these are all the do's and don'ts, what I just did, and I'll go over everything that I did anyway. Okay, so let's go ahead and just stop for 1 second. Again, we're always going to be worried about the swing of our trailer, just so this will be I suppose this will be the closest thing that I would be hitting would be this trailer right here. What's the distance? Oh, take a guess. 4 feet. Okay, so in other words, I got plenty of room. Now, as you can see here now, here's where people kind of screw up. All right. Now note how much I can see on this side of the trailer versus this side. Okay, that means I am turning into the space. So when I do go off to the left, the trailer is going to go a little bit further. Now watch how close it actually gets. Now 4 feet is plenty of room. All right. So there's actually some wiggle room here. All right. Now, okay, right around here is when it really straightens up because now it's perfect. Okay, so be careful of that. A lot of people have a tendency they'll just so they can get a little wider turn. They'll go to the right. They'll look in the mirror. Okay, I'm good. I got plenty of room. Then they'll turn to the right and then go off to the left, and then they'll hit something. So just be very careful. By it, all right. So by it, like like as you can see right now, I'm starting to turn the steering wheel, and I take a look at this mirror here, and we are golden. Now, what am I looking at? What am I looking at? So let's go ahead. Now, where am I? So this is the space we're going into. All right, actually, or any of these spaces. The whole space, you can go into the middle. Doesn't matter as long as as long as you get in there and you don't hit something, then you can readjust yourself. All right, we're clearing that. Good. Use what room you have just to be safe. Now, there's two options. I could blindside into here, or well, I could go the other direction. But anyway, this is one of my U-turn backs, so we're gonna do that instead. So hard left at just past the space. So I was like in the middle of the next space. So there's two spaces. So hard left. Now let's look in front for a second. Forgive me with with all the sun that I was doing this in. So I was creating lots of shadows. You got first of all you got to make sure you got to look at the area to make sure you can pull a U-turn. All right. Now I'm gonna pause in just a second here, and boom. So that's the closest I got to it. All right. So we started off being this being the furthest away, and so I got a little closer. I think I went over like a foot. But I gave myself 4 feet, so I'm all right. So we're basically pulling a U-turn. This is a full U-turn. All right. Now what I am looking at here, right? I am looking at two different things. I'm going to be looking at the back of my trailer, and I'm going to be looking in the front just to make sure I'm not going to be hitting anything. Obviously. Now I'm going to be using this area here. Now I can once I see the space, I have to straighten up a little bit. All right. Now, okay, let's rewind it there for a second because there's so many things I'm looking at. All right. Now, with May Trucking, right, they put this little sticker here now, and so they're basically asking you, please don't go past the sticker when you're pulling a U-turn. That's or jackknifing. But if you do, no, you can, but you got to be really watching it now the entire time. Okay. And like so, let's just first of all try not to go past 90 degrees. That's pretty much 90 degrees, so like 87 degrees, or actually more like, sorry, like 100 degrees. And so I'm looking at the back of my trailer. I'm basically, so this is the spot that I'm going into. As you can see, I'm still pointing towards this trailer, but from where I'm standing, if I drew a line, it would, I can see the space. Now, so I'm going to start straightening up and using all the distance that I have over here. Okay, and stop. So now I'm gonna start kind of jackknifing, kind of chasing because I'm not very happy with it. But I should have been happy with it if you see what I'm looking at right here. Okay, so look at our axles. Now I can see at our trailer, the back of our trailer is beyond the space. All right, but our axles are just not, well, this side of the axles are not quite. But I'm gonna go ahead and start chasing it now and back into a jackknife and chasing, jackknifed. It's a bit of a balancing thing going on. All right. Now I shouldn't have chased it here. I shouldn't have jackknifed it there. I should have chased it. So we're not looking in this mirror anymore. I know I'm pointing at the drone there. All right, let's look to the left. Okay, I want you to look at this left and then stop. Okay. Now, as you can see, we're in a dead straight back. I'm still going. I have my steers turned to the left. That means the front of the trailer is going to go to the left. At this particular point, maybe if you're a little inexperienced, go ahead and stop. Just go ahead and pull forward to the left and then to the right. That way, you're not taking the gamble. I've been doing this a long time, so I just wanted to explain why I do stuff, all right, and why you shouldn't, or at least be very aware of what you're looking at. All right, now, so I need to bring the front of the trailer to the left. That's why my steers are turned to the left. Now I'm kind of close. I'm like a foot. I don't know. What is that? Let's say it's 2 feet. Okay. Now, but the first thing that's going to happen is that well, it's not going to get any closer than that. Now, but as you can see, you're not going to see that, and you have no reference point over here because there's no lines, there's no nothing. So maybe you should have just done. You should have pulled forward. Okay. And then hard right to straighten up in the shortest distance. And well, okay, we've got a perfect dead straight back going on with some small little corrections. And I'm happy with that. Now, I do know there's a garbage bin actually back here that I have blocked with the steering wheel, but so I am going to get out and look. But that's the end of the video, really. I've got lots of these videos to where I actually do a U-turn back. So it's just something that you got to, in order to do the U-turn back, you're going to have to scout the area to where you actually, well, first of all, let's try not to do it. Second of all, let's try not to do a blind side. Let's figure out another way to loop around somewhere else nice and safely, do a nice wide U-turn, and just do a regular side. Okay, so, but, it's okay to experiment once in a while as long as you have the room. And yeah, now this was an empty trailer, so and I wasn't going to be doing too much damage to the tires on the gravel pulling a U-turn. And yeah, I got nothing else for you guys. This is it. All right, do you guys take care. Don't forget to go to the website, do me a favor and like this video, and because I'll be happy with that. All right, bye bye now. Good luck.